Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to stream PS5 on TikTok without a PC console. Only method. Step 1. Set up PS Remote Play. On your PS5, go to Settings, System, Remote Play. Turn on Enable Remote Play. Install the PS Remote Play app on your phone. Sign in with the same PlayStation account used on your PS5. Connect the app to your PS5 and verify that you can see and control your console from your phone. Step 2. Start your game. Launch the game you want to stream on your PS5. Keep the game running. Open PS Remote Play on your phone so the gameplay appears on your phone screen. Step 3. Go live on TikTok. Open TikTok on your phone, tap the plus button and select live. Choose mobile gaming or screen share if available on your account. Start sharing your phone screen. Switch back to the PS Remote Play app. Your TikTok viewers should now see your PS5 gameplay. Step 4. Use your PS5 controller. Connect your DualSense controller to the PS5 normally. Play as usual while remote play mirrors the gameplay to your phone. Keep your phone connected to a charger during long streams. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.